Let's make some masala chicken gravy. Add half a cup of oil with 1 big onion finely chopped, add some whole spices and fry until onions become translucent. Add 1 kilogram chicken and cook until it changes color. Then add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and ginger paste. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of green chili paste with puree of 2 big tomatoes. Further add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric paste and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix it, cover it and cook for 20 minutes on medium to low heat. After 20 minutes uncover it, add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds powder, 1 teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves and mix it. Add 2 cups of water and cover it. Cook for last 5 minutes. Uncover it and add some fresh chopped coriander leaves and serve it.